This is an original set of seat belts for a 1972 GTO. Note that the bolts have Torx bits on them for the heads rather than round bolt heads. This one is a shouldered bolt head. And this is what it's hard to explain. This is the retractable part that goes next to you on your left side. It's got this part here and this part here. These two hook together like this and click and unclick. This part pulls out like this and goes back together. And also note that these holes are much bigger than the seat belts you sent me. If you look on the gauge, you can see how big they are. And the holes that you have are much smaller. And that hole is big enough for this shoulder bolt with some room to spare. You can see the shoulder bolts rolling, which is the way it's designed to be. These holes in the seat belt you sent me are way too small. Now going back to this part that retracts, this part comes from the ceiling, which is similar to what you have now, except you gave me two of these, and this old system has one of these, and you click this piece here, this part, into here. I'm gonna set the camera here. You put it like that, click it back, and then you're able to retract it, and you have a three-piece seat belt like this, and you only have one clicker that goes into. Most people back in those days did not use the shoulder belt assembly. They just, if anything, used the lap belt. So what you've given me now is two brackets, one going across the waist and one going across the chest sternum area. This should help a lot if you don't have any of these to look at for an example. Let me know your thoughts.